For today's math, you're going to need your transformation of shape booklet, pencil, eraser, ruler, and some markers. We will go to we will be working on T or K or S. We'll do one as a class, and then you can choose one of the other ones to work on. Let's do K together because T is a little bit easy, and I think you can do that on your own. Let me show you what we're going to be doing at the end. At the end, we're going to be coloring and designing something like this, but the letters are flipped, there's a slide, and there's a turn in there. So before we do the coloring, we need to do the letters. I made a mistake, and it actually says rotate for some of the words. So if you see rotate, sorry, that should be turn. They mean the same thing, but we just learned the word turn. So you will do a turn. And I think this also says rotate. Just do a turn. It means the same thing. Okay. Make sure you use a ruler to draw the lines. Let's do slide because that's the easiest. We'll start right here on the dot. You have to go. There are 11 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And draw the line. This way there's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. We will go 1, 2, 3. Draw the line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can memo like that if you want. 3, 4, 5, but make sure you erase it later. 3 this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up. Easy. Now, here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces. So I'll keep 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 space. And the next line starts right there. Same thing down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there's 1, 2, 3 over. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Connect these dots. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a little bit. Slide is the easy one. Now let's do flip. We'll start here. You have to go 3 this way. Because remember, it flips. 1, 2, 3. And we can also do 1, 2, 3 down here. Easiest way probably is to draw this side first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 here. And then the 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. We'll go up 11. Go left 2, down 5, up 5. Okay, then you can draw this line, the diagonal line, and this diagonal line too. Then you have to go 5 and a little bit. Okay, there's not a dot there, but you can see these little dots to follow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a little bit. 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're next. A flip. If you draw everything, let's do this one together. You can turn it this way, you can turn it this way. That doesn't really matter. I turned it this way, but that's just what I did, so it doesn't have to be the exact same thing. Okay, I took this and flipped it, so I'm going to start from here. This one goes left, this one has to go down 3. There's 5 space, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 3 lines, 11 this way, 11 this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 3, 5. I think you get the idea. Make sure you use a ruler. Okay. After you do this, I want you to use a black marker, name pen or regular marker, that's fine, either way, and trace the outside. So you have a dark line. After you have the dark line, what you're going to do is you're going to take a marker and color the inside. After you color the inside, again you're going to take a pencil and design something in the background. Now this is my design. You can design anything else. Let me show you another one. There's something simple like this, or a little bit more intricate like this, whichever one is fine. And I want you to design with a pencil, and the design will also be flipped or slide. There's going to be a slide of the, and then there's going to be a turn. So make sure you do something that you can copy it to other places, not something that's too difficult that you can't flip or slide or turn. After the design is finished, use a marker. Always use a ruler and a marker to trace along the edge, and then you will color it. One more time, use a pencil, do the letters, use a marker, trace the outside, border, color the inside, color it nicely. I don't want to see something like this. This is definitely not grade 3 coloring outside of the line, and not colored all the way. This is what you can do and what you should do. If it goes out a little bit, that's okay. I've done that too. See, I went out a little bit. That's fine. But something like this is definitely not grade 3. Make sure you color it nicely. It can be many different colors. It can be one single color. That doesn't matter as long as it looks very nice. Color it all the way. Okay. This is going to go in the trash because that's very messy. That's something we don't do. Okay. After coloring in the inside, design the background. Outline the background with dark. It can be dark colors like navy blue or dark green. It doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be black. As long as it's dark, it looks nice. And then color the background. You can choose to do the letter T, or if you've done K already with me and you want to use K, that's fine. Or if you want to challenge, S is actually difficult, so you can challenge yourself and do S. If you really want to do, you can do all three. Whichever one you choose, I want you to take a picture of the final letters and send it to your teacher. You can do 3, you can do 2, you can do 1. But make sure it is nicely colored and make sure the flips and slides aren't funny. Okay, I look forward to seeing a lot of nice artworks. See you!